Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Amazon Basics low-profile wired USB keyboard. If you are in the market for an affordable yet reliable keyboard, then keep watching. The first thing you'll notice about this keyboard is its sleek design. The black matte finish gives it a modern look that would complement any workspace. It's also very lightweight and has a slim profile, which makes it perfect for those who are always on the go. The build quality is impressive too, despite its low price point. The key have a nice tactile feel and the keyboard doesn't flex when you type, which is a common problem in budget keyboards. The Amazon Basics low-profile wired USB keyboard is a no-frills keyboard, but it still has some features that are worth mentioning. It has a full-size layout with a numeric keypad, which is great for those who need to do a lot of data entry. It also has a 5-foot-long USB cable, which gives you plenty of flexibility when it comes to placement. The keyboard is also spill-resistant, which is a nice added bonus. Accidents happen, and it's good to know that your keyboard is protected. When it comes to performance, this keyboard doesn't disappoint. The keys are very responsive and the low-profile design makes typing a breeze. The keyboard also has a low noise level, which is great if you are sharing a workspace with others. The only downside is that the keys are in backlit, so typing in low-light conditions might be a bit of a challenge. Overall, the Amazon Basics low-profile wired USB keyboard is a great budget keyboard that delivers on performance and build quality. It's perfect for those who need a reliable keyboard without breaking the bank. If you are in the market for a new keyboard, then we highly recommend giving this one a try. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Also, let us know in the comments below if you tried this keyboard and what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching.